What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are having an awesome day today. So check this out. So today I just want to finish up with the porting and polishing before I get ready to clean the head and get ready to put it back on the car. So that is today's goal, and I just want to see how much deeper I can get inside of the hole to make it a little bit bigger, and just go ahead and trim off what I can, man. Today I'm going in on it. I don't even care.
Don't know how it's supposed to be, but I can feel you turn me around. If love can go sideways, look back at me and I won't let you down. I couldn't find what I was missing in the open sea. I saw so many sharks out where I'm fishing.
And this is the intake side that I am about to do now. I am a bit nervous about going over like edges like this right here, but I'm just going to take my time and just be super careful. You see, I wish I had some longer or better tools. That way I can really get inside of that pocket right there. Like deep inside of that pocket. Like right here. Because the valve is right there. I don't know if you guys can see it, but the valve is right there. I pretty much did all of the pocket. It's all the way up to pretty much the valve, and I wish I had a longer better tool. That way I can really get inside of there and clean it. I did end up going and buy some of these sanders. They're cool little, I guess little sand wheels. They just have some of these cool little sand wheels like this and like this. And that is what I use to port it. Well, it's been a couple of days now, guys, and I finally got the head cleaned. For the most part, I got the inside of the head clean where the cams go, and then the exhaust side is ported and cleaned out, and same thing with the intake side. Alright guys, so I got the head all ported out and everything. Now I'm just going to go ahead and start to just reassemble it. I'm super sorry if you guys hear bubble guppies in the background, because the kids are watching bubble guppies and it is raining outside. So I'm inside today. Now, today I'm just going to start to reassemble the head and put the cams back inside. And I did end up buying some assembly lube too. So I'm just going to use a little bit. Oh man.
Right or wrong, 'cause either way it's enough. If we know how to make mistakes, then we belong inside this wild love.
Okay, so I took the head and I put it back in time. The plate is in, right? This notch is straight up, and that notch right there is straight up. But here is my issue. Here's my issue. The valves are all the way out this time. This valve is all the way out, and this valve is all the way out. So I don't understand that now. I know a lot of you guys probably be like, that valve isn't seated right in there, but I guarantee you that it is seated in there, and this valve on the other side was never pushed out before. So it has to be something else lying wrong with the cams. I mean, I don't know. I feel like everything is right. Cam plate is in. It's locked in. All the knots are straight up. I just end up with these two open valves.
Yeah, no.
I don't know. This all confuses me because the cam plate is in, everything right, but this cam is pushing down on that one, and this one is pushing down on this one. That's why the two valves at the bottom are open. If I turn the cams back a little bit, it won't push down on it, but then it will be out of time. And I don't know if the valves are supposed to be open, which I think they are supposed to be closed. So yeah, that's where I'm at now. I just hate to put more back together, and then I just need to take it apart again and look at the valves again, but this is where I'm at now.